So here's kind of what I did for my Schoology pages, trying to make it somewhat user-friendly for all. I know you have a child in the Tech 8 class in robotics. Both I kind of had the same setup to them. I have a distance learning folder I had the kids work through. I put a big note saying to check your grades frequently because I am doing a lot of commenting through the grades tab, and they'll have theirs on the left-hand side of the screen, a little grades tab for that one. So in the folders, I kind of have a little complete this folder first for both classes. And it's a real quick, just tells the kids, hey, do you want to ask me a question? Here's how it's done in a little video. And then it says watch the lesson. When ready, proceed, assignment below. I'm trying to kind of have a little plan for the day. Here's what we're doing, and here's the links needed for that particular day. And then as far as the check marks you asked about, the kids will be able to see too that to get check mark, you must score at least 3 points on this thing to get done. I'll pick on some robotic stuff. Same thing over here too. Same distance learning, same reminders, same complete here. These guys here, I'll pick a day. I'll pick for Tuesday, for instance. Here's our plan. Give a description what's going to happen. And then the video lesson. And then some more lesson. And then we have, as far as here's our stuff to do for the day, is a simple gear lab. It says you must view the item. All this is just the directions. So they read through the directions sheet and how to build a lab. And then the bottom one here says it's a simple lab. It's review questions. Must score at least 9. So I'm giving a little bit of parameters what to do for that. But for them to have this whole folder checked off, you have to get both things fulfilled. You viewed the directions and you scored on that. I have been too putting like due dates in. So I'm hoping if yours, the students, is match what we have for teachers. Jump back out to the main page here. As far as, I don't see it, my screen's kind of small. Can I go bigger screen? This calendar tab, that should have, your kids should have this calendar tab too, and it kind of gives them what's going on. These are all 5 of my classes, for instance. Like today, I have this to get done, that to get done, that to get done. I'm hoping your kids have the same thing here too, and they say, hey, I don't know what this is. You click on it, I can view the item, and you go to it. So that way your kid can look at the calendar to see, hey, here's today's date, here's what's due. Hope this helps you out, a little bit of overview of the program. And yeah, most of these classes here at ZMS aren't really meant to be online classes. So we're doing the best we can. We appreciate your feedback, appreciate your support. Any questions, hey, let us know, please. Thank you.